Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to remove an object from a photo in Photoshop. Okay, let's start. Select the Object Selection tool and select the required area. Expand selection. Click on the menu, select, Modify, Expand. Click on the selected area and select Fill, and click OK. Select the remaining elements and repeat the fill. Super, looks great. If the video was useful for you, like, subscribe, click on the bell so as not to miss new videos. Leave a comment and see you in the next video.